Okay, YouTube modeling community, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a video on how I spray Alclad chrome and other Alclad products such as the airframe aluminum. And so the stuff you're going to need, some spoons. I'm going to do this one. Somebody said Alclad, not the Alclad, the AK this is AK chrome, trust me. You can spray it on just bare plastic and it'll work as well. So we're going to try that as well, along with a black backer. So the black that I normally use is good old Testers cut with good old cheap lacquer thinner, 1 bottle to 1 bottle, 1 to 1. Then I mix it and I leave it in an old Tamiya bottle. But it's getting harder to find, so we're going to try Tamiya's LP black, which same thing as TS14, I believe. So we're going to use this. And Alclad, of course, makes their own black backer. Some people might have this, some might. I do have it. I don't like it all that much, but we're going to use it anyway. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray 4 spoons with this color. We're going to spray 4 spoons with that color, and 4 spoons with that color, and 1 is going to be plain for just that. So you're going to get Alclad we're going to use, my lighting is not the best. This one is the Alclad 2 polished aluminum, number ALC 105. So we'll use that. We'll use Alclad chrome, ALC 107. And my favorite is the Alclad airframe aluminum, ALC 119. To me, this comes out way better than the chrome. You'll see, you choose for your own self. And again, like I said, Alclad, AK chrome, I don't know the number. It's been washed off. You could look it up. It's Extreme Metals, I believe. I don't know, somehow, some way, but we're going to do that with a black backer. One of each as well, and 1 of plain. So as you can see, that's the cheap lacquer thinner I cut with. We'll get that out of the way. What I'll do is I'll knock that over and make a big mess. What I'll do is I'll spray the 3 spoons, 3 of each. The 4th one I'll do on video so you can see how I spray the blacks. You don't need to see me spray 12 spoons. And then the second part will be the Alclads, because I let the black dry for minimum 72 hours, but that's just me. So the other thing we'll be using for airbrush will be the Neo for Awada. It's got a 3.5 needle in it, and this the airbrush I use for my 2K clear. It has a 0.3. It also is a cheap kit from Amazon. It has 0.2 and a 0.5 in there as well. The difference I did is I took the little rubber gasket that fits in here, and of course the Teflon one for the Awada fits. So I bought a couple. The only thing I'm going to use from this kit when I do my chrome is I'm going to use the tailstock from here, because I can adjust it as a trigger stop. Because when you use the Alclad, you want to be very, very light passes. And the one other thing I use is a piece of pantyhose from your wife, your girlfriend, or your mistress, or whoever. And in between, because you're actually using this you're spraying it so light, it's like a dust when it falls on top of the spoon. That's where you get your reflective color. And in between, after it dries, you just give it a little buff. Not too much, just a little rub. And then we're going to try on half the spoon, we're going to try the Alclad Gloss Clear, the Aqua. ALC 600. We're going to try that on half the spoon to see if that changes the tone of the color and how much, and as a protector, because if everybody knows that to use this, the more you touch this, the more it's going to rub off. So This is just how I use it. I'm sure there's other people, other ways of using it, but that's how I've learned to use it over the years. So this, I believe, will be the 3-parter. This will be part 1. Part 2 will be spraying the black spoons, letting them dry. I'll put them in my dehydrator for, I don't know, half a day on the lowest setting, which is 95 Fahrenheit, 35 Celsius, and then I'll just leave them till the next time I get a day off, which will be in 7 days, because my hours of work are crazy. So that will be next Monday. So if you can hang in there, watch it. If not, well, thanks for watching this video. Alright, so on to the next step. Thank you.